Well, I've prepared this part for you, so now you can create any code, any category, or even subcategory that you want. It depends on you. You can do it here very easily. Okay, let me close this one, enter Revit, open up our sites, BIM-Load, and also this is our Iranian site or Iranian brand. Alright, let's start. First, click on my computer, new volume H, Revit Architecture project, project modeling, and then on files. Okay, note that for the naming of BMI project files, you must consider the structure. For example, this is an architecture project. For name, I can put arch and the date, and then the version that you have. For example, version 1. Now let's take a backup. Control C, create a folder so that our work is easier. Enter the folder and hit save. Okay. And hit save. Okay. Alright, so now from annotate section, open Keynote settings and load what we had made here. Open. Okay, let me test it real quick. Well, yeah, we had 3 categories and it's showing 3, so yeah, it's good. So now, after all of this, let's draw the levels of this project. Take a look at this cut here. For example, -5 and -3.95 and so on. And of course, this half a meter below. Make sure to check your plan all the time and try to fully analyze any file that you have that you are working with in, for example, half a day. For instance, here we have -3.95 and here -5 and here -4.20. What happened here is we have a ramp and a facility room has been built under it. And in fact, what you can see is, okay, let me find it in the cut and show you there. If I can find it, let me see. In -5, there should be a staircase, but it's not visible. And this top part here is the ramp. Okay, we have no more cuts. Alright, let's move on. Now, based on these lines in Revit, let's start our work. First, enter here and right click here, browser organization, new discipline, and Iran BIM team. Now in sorting, select sort by associated level, and like what we had in in discipline, family and type, we do the same here again. Choose discipline. In grouping and sorting, now discipline, then family and type. Okay, apply. Okay, and then here's our floor plan. Now we want to separate our structural and architectural levels. First, draw the architectural levels. Press UN. Set our unit to meters or millimeters. No difference. Let's go with millimeters. All right, minus 5500. Okay, let me check my old file. All right, minus 5000. Click here, draw another line, minus 4450. Another one here, minus 3950. Let me see what else we have. Okay, 0 and 3.28. Control Z, Control Z, 3280. Let's go up. Next one, 6500. For the next one, we have 10,100, then 13,700. Next, 17,300, and 20,900, 24,500, then 28,100, 31,700, 38,900. Oh, I forgot one. 35,300. And now 38,900. Next, we have the roof of our architecture. 42,500. Okay. For our ridge, we have 45,900. And then the last one, we have 47,700. Okay, now select all this, right click, choose maximize 3D extend so that everything is aligned. Okay, so now go to the insert, then load family, then annotation. Load these two here, one for a structural level and one for architectural level. Delete this structure session, you'll understand why later. Okay, ceiling, elevation, and families. Go to families, annotation, and then go to level. Now in here, edit, click on duplicate and name it arc level. All right, we can select it here and we can change the color like this. All right, so now we put the scale on 1/50th to make them smaller. These are zeros. We press UN and put the 0 decimal on 2 decimal and okay. These are minus and these are plus. And right click here and edit so that we can make some changes such as color, font, or adding the minus and plus marks.